If I said, Marcus, how do you feel?
Happy?
You could say,
I feel happy.
you feel happy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everyone communicates in different ways. One person might use their voice to say hello, another might just wave, and another person might use sign language.
AAC includes all the different and alternative ways people use to communicate. It was probably in 2nd grade when I had Marcus in my class in 2nd grade, and so he would use this talker. I was really confused on what it was. I knew that Marcus had a little bit trouble of talking, but I didn't know how he exactly talked with it.
Some people talk with the help of technology. There are 3 types: low tech, mid tech, and high tech. Low tech includes pictures or core boards. Mid tech includes buttons or tools with voice input. High tech AAC devices might be an iPad or a talker. It's really cool. They're it looks like iPads, and then there's an app, and you go onto the app and it shows you a bunch of different words, and then you can go to different subjects like art, social studies, math. And if you go onto a talker, there's a lot of different things.
Vegetables don't have seeds. And they're not sweet.
Carrot.
Carrot! You're right. A carrot is a vegetable. It does not have...
You could just click a word and then it would say that on the high tech or the low tech, you would just point at it and the adult or something would figure out what you want to do.
Or we could swing or slide. What do you want to do? You want to do the monkey bars?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, let's go.
Sometimes you need to actually talk with your voice. Even if you can't, some people try to talk with their voice while you're using your device, and others just use their device.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Sup?
Do you need some help?
No, sup?
Oh, you found it.
Is it too right?
Scientist.
You're right. You can
Scientist!
say, here, clear. Can you say, I want to be
scientist, astronaut.
a scientist astronaut? That's so cool.
Let's talk about the do's and don'ts when talking to someone who uses AAC. Let somebody using AAC have 10 seconds until they respond.
Ask open-ended questions. Describe what you want to say using core words.
Respect multimodal communication. Make sure AAC device or communication method is available when you are speaking to them.
But the biggest advice that I can give you is to take your time with them and let them tell you.
Here's the don'ts. You have to ask somebody if you can use their device, not just take it. Don't use someone else's device without asking. You also shouldn't rush them or expect their device to do all the talking. I think that you should just treat everybody the same way. If they're using AAC or if they're in a wheelchair or anything, you should just treat them the same, because I know that that's how you or that's how they want to be treated.
I can be friends with anyone.
I can be friends with anyone. I can be friends with anyone. I can be friends with anyone, regardless on how they communicate. Communication looks different for all of us.